Hello, Assalamu alaikum students, and we are here with our grammar topic, prepositions and conjunctions. So, first of all, we must understand that preposition and conjunctions are both parts of speech. You know your parts of speech, we have done that in the last term. Okay, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So, इनका part of speech में से एक दो लोग और आते हैं, preposition और conjunction. Okay, now what is a preposition? Preposition, it is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with other words in the sentence. As you know that to complete the sentence, we require a group of words, then these words have to be arranged in order, then a complete sentence is formed like subject, verb and object. पर इसमें सब चीज़ें आती हैं और preposition will come, conjunction will come, adverb will come, all these things. Prepositions are used to relate time, date, movement, place, belongings, etc. All these things preposition is used. Now, as you know, what are some common prepositions? Everybody knows they are in, on, at, to, under, or, for, since, from, behind, between and among. These are some types of preposition. This is a pictorial representation. Everybody sees that. Okay. Now this girl is. This is showing that she is around the box. She is over the box. She is next to something which is side by. It has to show a relationship between a noun. Two nouns के बीच में कैसे relation बनता है? It will be according to that. She is in front of the box. She is inside the box. She is getting down from the box, है ना? These are all. Here also she is inside the. She is going inside the box. She is upon the box. है? Like these are called as the different kinds of prepositions. Now there are some other prepositions like example between is used for two persons. Between will be used for two persons, like for example, two persons are standing. Here also I can, oh sorry, there is a picture over here. Like for example, between, it will be used for two things or persons, anything it can be. The boy is between the two balls, okay, like that. And opposite is among. It has to be lot of people. Like Ahmad is the smartest among all the students. So it will become as a preposition. Since is used to denote a point of time and for is used to denote a period of time. Now point of time क्या हो जाएगा? Morning, है ना? It has been raining since morning. For point of time. To denote a period of time, the class lasted for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. This is showing time. When the time is shown in numbers, for that you will use I have been waiting for you for the past 5 hours, like that. But it has been raining since morning. It is a point of a time. Now next we come to our conjunctions. So as you know, conjunctions are a group, is a word that is used to join words, group of words or small sentences. And one more thing, it has to be there, it will always be in the middle of a word, because it is joining to words, or in the middle of a sentence. So that is called as conjunction. See, there are some conjunctions over here, because, when, but, and, then, so. These are the types of conjunctions. Now why they have used it as a puzzle? Because they join things, and when you use a puzzle you join it together. So that's why I have taken this picture to represent my conjunctions. Now for example, I have showed you it is used to join words or a group of words. Now see, what are the words? Eggs, milk, bread. So I will not say there is eggs, there is milk, there is bread. No, this is not the way of speaking. So the eggs, milk and bread are kept on the table. So it is used to join some group of words. or it can also be a sentence. Now that's why another way to tell you all prepositions is that there is a word for it. There is a conjunction is, this is your code, fanboys. See, fan and boys together becomes fanboys. Okay. So now you will remember like this. So fanboys. So for F it is for, it is there. There is no need to write in that. So this is the best way to understand prepositions in a better way. So, and always remember, it will come in the middle of a word, in between two words or many words, or to join sentences also. Like sentence may I will show you, like for example, this is my class. One sentence, full stop. Now I will not do like that, but it is used to join. Now I will remove the, now I have to join the two sentences, so I will remove the full stop. This is my class and it is beautiful. So here it is showing, this is one sentence, this is one sentence, and it is joined by this preposition. Oh sorry, conjunction. I got making mistakes. So have you understood? So these are your conjunctions and prepositions. We have been learning for quite some time. Happy learning.